For the people that don't know, by the way, remember that Zaldico was actually allied with the Dutertes during Duterte's time. They were very close allies, okay? That he benefited from the Dutertes, and that's why tingin ko galit na galit si Sara Duterte kay Zaldico kasi hindi na sila nagkasundo.
Tanong ako ng tanong sa'yo kung anong problema. Inisip ko ba ako yung diferensya? Parang kung gago, tanong ko ng tanong, ako ba? Wala yung problema.
Aayusin ko naman to eh. Aayusin ko naman eh. I just need time.
Zaldico decided to side with the Marcoses in this one, and then siguro may hiningi si Sara Duterte, hindi niya nakuha.
Hindi mo sana sinarili. Hindi mo sana tinago.
Tukoy na ang di umano'y nabiling bahay ni Ako Bicol Party List Congressman Zaldico sa Paris.
Si Zaldico naman na nasa Amerika, pinupull out na umano ang kanyang sariling fleet ng luxury jets at choppers sa Pilipinas. Partikular ang umano'y Gulfstream G350 na may halagang $36 million.
And then in-out niya si Zaldico. Remember the first time, bumanat siya na yan ang mga corrupt, si Zaldico, trying to divert attention away from her. And finally, BBM agreed and said, oh sige, let's put attention to this. Let's shine the light on this one. So may mga plays happening in the back. And I don't know what's happening,